Between this vast world, there is an ancient and innovative city, Xi'an. It is not only a loyal witness of history and carries thousands of years of civilization inheritance. It is also a pioneer leader in scientific and technological innovation.
Welcome to Shaanxi Qingchuan.
As a leading company in the field of plant extracts, we are always committed to providing the highest quality natural plant ingredients. Our team is the core soul of the company. Innovation and efficiency are the core essence of our daily work. Shown here are our natural extract products, including plant extracts, fruit and vegetable powders, edible mushroom extracts, natural pigments, etc. In addition, we can also provide customers with personalized product customization services. This is our manufacturing workshop. Our plant extract production line is complete and can provide a full range of services from raw materials to customized products. We can provide solutions for any specific plant extract need.
This is our raw material warehouse.
Each batch of raw materials is strictly inspected.
This is our extraction tank.
The pre-treated raw materials are extracted into concentrated solution according to standard process followed and stored in liquid storage tanks. This is our spray drying tower. We strictly control the temperature and time during the drying process. This is our purification workshop. Next is the inner packaging process. In this stage, sampling and quality inspection will be carried out. The packaged and labeled products will be sent to the waiting area. This is our quality department. We take samples for quality inspection at every production stage, adopt strict testing standards to ensure that every product meets industry requirements and standards.
This is our outer packaging and delivery area.
We will strictly mark the label information on products. Efficient logistics methods ensure that products can be delivered to your hands safely and efficiently. After the product is delivered, our services have not been terminated. Our professional team is always ready to listen to you. Qingchuan is our solemn commitment to health and nature.